In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the boot lid on the Elan. This is also a trivial task. It's only 4 bolts and it's really quick. One thing that you may have in your car is what I have in mine as well, which is a boot lid release mechanism. Mine has been installed with a bicycle cable, so you will need to deattach that one, but if you have installed that you probably don't even need to watch this video. There's really nothing else to say about this apart from the usual begging for subscriptions and likes on the video. Let's get started then. Yeah, all you're looking for is 4 10mm bolts, 2 on each side. Now the first thing I do is to put a bit of bubble wrap underneath, because when this comes out it will slide and may damage the paint. And now all you have to do is just remove the bolts. As you can see, it did slide down. Now you may hold it while you're, undoing the bolts. I don't, because I already got the bubble wrap. So now I'm on the other side, and this is where I actually am more careful holding it. I tend to hold it like this so that it will pivot over there and won't damage anything before I start removing the bolts. As you can see, it tends to slide off, so you just need to hold it at the same time. But apart from that, it is a very trivial job. And as you can see, there's just captive nuts inside of the fiberglass, so nothing special, nothing difficult about this job. And yeah, I hope to see you soon.